Use archive blocks to create organized lists of links to blog posts, events, and products. Archive blocks can display content by tag, category, author, and date. You can use archive blocks to add extra navigation to sidebars, footers, and other areas. The blocks update automatically when you add, edit, or delete content. To add an archive block, edit a page or post, click Add Block or an insert point. Then click Archive. Navigate to the block editor and select the page with the content you want to feature in the block. Click Display to choose a layout. You can use an index layout, which creates a list of links to individual items organized by headings. A list layout, which creates a list of general topics, not individual items. Or a drop-down layout, which creates a drop-down menu of general topics, not individual items. Once you set your layout, you can choose how you want the content grouped. Depending on your group by criteria, you'll also be able to customize how the content is sorted. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.